How to fix there is a billing problem with previous purchase on iPhone. When a billing issue arises, it typically indicates that Apple encountered difficulties processing a payment for a prior purchase made through the App Store or iTunes. This can occur due to various factors, including insufficient funds in the associated account, expired payment methods, or occasional technical glitches within the system. Update: change your payment method. If your card has expired or you want to switch to a different card, you'll need to update your payment method. Remove and add new card, or reset billing info. To change your billing information using your iPhone, just follow these steps. Step 1. On your iPhone or iPad, open Settings, then tap your name. Step 2. Tap Payment and Shipping, then sign in with your Apple ID, if you are asked to. Step 3. Next, tap Add Payment Method, enter your credentials, and tap Done. Step 4. Lastly, tap the red Delete button next to the previous payment method to remove it completely and solve the "there is a billing problem with a previous purchase" error on iPhone or iPad. For family sharing users. If you are encountering this issue as a member of a family sharing group, the family organizer should follow the previously provided instructions to update their payment information. If you are not the organizer, it's important to communicate the issue to them. Alternatively, consider redeeming a gift card to cover your portion of the expenses, which may resolve the problem. Contact Apple support. If you have encountered difficulties while attempting to update your payment method or redeem a gift card, despite your efforts, it is advisable to seek assistance from Apple support.